Hello everyone, welcome back to Physics Tech YouTube channel. It's me, Shafas. A long back ago, people believed that Earth is the center of this universe. This is known as geocentric concept. From the observations and experiments, Galileo Galilei found that those concepts are wrong. Sun is the center. Every planet's revolving depends upon the Sun. This concept is known as heliocentric theory. Kepler and Kepler's laws helped to improve the heliocentric concept. What are Kepler's laws? We can discuss those laws in today. Okay, before that, we can discuss about ellipse. This is an ellipse. Ellipse have a property, it have two focuses. For a circle, it have only one focus. But an ellipse have two focuses. Those focus is known as foci. Kepler's first law is known as law of orbits. What is law of orbits? Here I am putting our Sun in a foci. And the planets revolving. From the first law of Kepler says that the Sun is situated on a foci and the planet is revolving through an elliptical path. Then we can discuss about the second law of Kepler. It is known as law of areas. What is law of areas? Consider this is our Sun and this is our planet. From this is the distance between the Sun and our planet. If our planet moves here with a time period delta t, then this is the distance between the planet and the Sun. After that, our planet moves here. Then the distance between the Sun and this planet is this, a short distance. At particular time period delta t, the planet moves from here to here. At a particular distance like this. If we calculate this area delta A1 and delta A2, then we can get a relation between delta A1 and delta A2. What is delta A1 is equal to delta A2, which means that these areas are same at a particular time difference. Kepler's third law is known as law of periods. What is law of periods? From this picture, this is the A, means semi-major axis. Then our equation will be t square is proportional to A Q. How to remove the proportionality? By putting a proportionality constant, we can remove the proportionality. I am putting P square equal to G and A Q